Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
I wonder if we're going to be able to see if it's over my head yet.
Look at that. You're pretty much overhead.
Yeah.
Really?
Look at that arm.
Mm-hmm.
You're reaching overhead.
Emma?
Yeah. We're going farther.
Yes.
Yeah,
I'm easing.
I want to see if we can get it up to here.
Good. How's that feeling?
It's funny. It kind of feels like a rubber band just
Yes.
being stretched.
Yes.
Wow, that's
Look at that.
almost identical to the other arm, Mom. Looks just like your other arm.
It does really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It really does.
Actually, I'm glad that you're so you can show her.
It feels
You
like you're
have
going
full-
sideways though.
No, it's
I'll go overhead. I am going out. I'm doing like a snow angel right now.
Oh yeah, like a
I
snow
started with
angel.
one of the harder ones because I was curious. The straight overhead's going to be a piece of cake.
here. I'll
I
come
know
back.
that because that really wasn't one that was. See, look at that. That was piece of cake.
Am I
The
straight
out to the
overhead?
side. Yeah.
I can't feel that. It feels like I don't even
It's
have
just
an
so
arm right
easy
now.
to move. That's why.
I don't feel like I even have an arm over there right now.
Good. Well, I already can tell this is going to be good because
You
it
mean
just
this
fell
one?
here. Like, look at that. That was just getting into, like, I just took it from here to here. Okay, now I'm going to stretch a little more.
I did give in and opted for
Just
the.
making sure.
I gave in and opted for the pain block.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But you don't have the pump that the, okay.
Mm-mm. I just went on and did the pain block, so I just didn't want to be in pain.
Yeah.
That bad of pain, just in case.
I'm going to have you reposition yourself just a little bit. There we go. I'm going to move this just right here. Perfect. There we go. Better.
Looking good, Mom.
Yeah.
It looks just like your other arm.
Yeah, I like that.
Gosh, that's a miracle. We never could get it past.
Yeah, a certain point.
It was almost like here, Abby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that.
That's
Twins.
great. Oh yeah.
Okay, we're going to go a little farther in. Now, are you comfortable doing this to her?
Sure.
Okay. I can show you how. You can
Yeah.
practice.
Yeah.
The more it
course.
moves initially, the less likely it is to break up scar tissue. So the more you can right now she has not very much control of her arm.
Right.
But if you're able to do this to her, I can show you how.
Yeah. Because we don't want to get
The
it
more
blocked back
practice,
up.
exactly, the more we can keep it moving.
Right.
What? Just for tonight?
For like probably the next week, the more somebody can help you with this, stretch you out essentially. The more we can get in, the better. Because coming to PT is good,